Hi, Jasmine. If you want to copy and paste multiple lines of text, what you can do is, here, I'll run a little bit of the script. All right, I can highlight, so click and drag with my cursor to highlight multiple lines. I can hit Control C on my keyboard or Mac C if it's a Mac. And then I can click where I want to paste it within the script window and just hit Control V or the Mac window V button, and it'll control and paste that in. Now, one thing you'll have to do is you'll have to get rid of those arrows. So just delete them all, basically, as you go through the material you pasted. And do you notice that there's the red X's? When those red X's disappear, I know that things are clean code. I know that I've deleted all the parts that I need to delete. And so with this, realistically, I should be hashtagging out all of the lines that are the output from R, and I can delete the arrows for all the lines that are the input. So I hope that helps. See you in class tomorrow. Bye.